Now let's talk about those other bits. The first order neuron is actually the same as the bipolar cells. Remember, these are ascending sensory tracts, so they're made up of first, second, and third order neurons. The second order neuron in this ascending tract is composed of the ganglion cells, the axons of which come together to form the optic nerve. So the second order neuron is this ganglion cells and optic nerve. The third order neuron is the neuron that sends the information from the thalamus to the visual cortex. All three of those neurons send information via APs, action potentials. That's how neurons send information. And there's a synapse between the first and second order neuron and between the second and third order neuron. The third order neuron has a branch in its axon which sends information to the superior colliculus, and that controls those visual reflexes like turning your head when something moves in your peripheral vision. And the two things you absolutely don't want to confuse: the pupil controls the amount of light entering the eye. Smooth muscle adjusts that size of the opening so more or less light can get in. And then the lens changes shape to focus the light on the retina. And looking at those just one last time here, the pupil is this opening right here that light passes through, so right there. And then the lens is this thing. So the size of the pupil changes to adjust the amount of light entering the eye. The shape of the lens changes to adjust the focus on the retina. So iris and pupil, size of the opening, amount of light entering the eye, lens changes shape, focus on the retina.